Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a starburst lollipop. This is really easy. I learned it in 6th grade. All you need is 4 starburst flavor, but I'm gonna just add one more. You need a stove, 2 popsicle sticks, folded tinfoil. Adult supervision is advised. Now I have to unwrap the starburst and add it inside the tinfoil protection and put it on top of the stove. Now I am 12, so I do not need adult supervision. So let's get started. Oh, and that kid screaming in the background, that's just my baby brother. Please ignore him. Now, once the starbursts are starting to melt, you just have to slowly watch them. Make sure the tinfoil does not burn or the starburst, because these burn very, very quickly. So like once you see them starting to melt, you start squishing them together, mixing them. You gotta mix them around and squish them around. The one popsicle stick you're gonna use as the lollipop, the other one is for a mixer and a helper. That's why you need 2. And you just keep on mixing and mixing and keep on mixing and mixing until you see that they're nice and melted enough so you can start forming the lollipop. Now that you have it on the 2 popsicle sticks, you just mix them and churn them around until like all of the melted starbursts, the big gulp is on mostly one of the sticks than the other. That way you can enjoy your lollipop. And once you start like mixing it around and you see like right now I am done. You have to wait until it cools for 5 minutes. Then once it cools for 5 minutes, you'll see it's nice and hardened and it's not hot anymore and it won't burn you.
If you feel you're sinking, I will jump right over into cold, cold water for you. And although time may take us into different places, I